Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. My name's Zach. If it's your first time dropping in, welcome. Hopefully you get some value out of this video. We're going to talk about Alchemy Pay, which is making a nice resurgence here today, up 21%, while the entire market is pretty flat or a little bit down depending on where you look. But Alchemy Pay's got a big green candlestick. That's the daily candlestick on Alchemy Pay. So a little bit of background. Alchemy Pay is dealing with digital payments. They're already in 65 different countries. They've got a huge partnership with Shopify. That's really their big claim to fame, at least in my mind. That is a huge, huge company. Shopify, it continues to grow dramatically. So many people use it to sell their services or products. And it's a very interesting asset that just recently got added to Coinbase, and that's where you see this huge run-up. Again, these are daily candlesticks. As you saw here, 4 days in a row, Alchemy Pay ran up like crazy. And that was all the Coinbase effect, as we now call it, right? When something gets listed to Coinbase, it seems like it runs up. And then what happens? It sells way off, right? People make a ton of profit. They're paper handing. They sell off. So in this video, I want to tell you a little bit more about Alchemy Pay. We're going to go to the hourly chart to get a little closer view on what's going on here with the sticks. We're going to take a look at the last 3 days and the number of holders and how they've jumped up dramatically. And then we're also going to talk about some of their partnerships that they have in their future as a cryptocurrency. So, all right, before we jump into it, just want to quickly plug our Patreon group. We've got our supporter level and insider level. So real quick here, the supporter level, it's going to get you in our conversations that we're having behind the YouTube wall over on our Discord. So that's going to get you into the Discord for $10 per month. Great conversations happening. You get access to all of our channels, people dropping some great nuggets and information. Great way to stay up to speed on the market. Now with the insider package for $20 per month, of course you're going to get all of those things, the Discord access and general support, but you're also going to get buy and sell trade alerts, hot weekly crypto alerts, portfolio guidance from me. You can send me your portfolio. I'll take a look at it for you, as well as group portfolio shared access only for insiders. So all of that for just $20 per month. Come on over, check us out. We'd love to have you. Now let's start with number of holders here, total addresses for Alchemy Pay. So you can see here, we saw a nice little steady incline. Then it kind of leveled off here, right around the 12th, 13th, 14th. But look at the big step up to the 15th, 16th, and 17th. Now we don't have today's data yet, but I'm imagining we're going to get a higher bar here, judging by how much this is up today. And right now it's up about 17%. Okay, so let's go back over here, and instead of looking at the day chart, let's look at it hour by hour, and we'll get an idea of what's going on here with Alchemy Pay. So this is the 1 hour sticks here, and you can see over the past couple hours, look at the volume. That's these lower candlesticks down here. Boom. Big amounts of volume coming in here. Let's go into the 30-minute there. You can see that even a little bit more. How about let's go into the 5-minute? Okay, there you go. You can see these big step ups for Alchemy Pay. And it's an interesting asset because it kind of rivals AMP, right? A lot of people know what AMP is. It too had the Coinbase effect. It's in the collateral space, rumored to potentially be, partnering with Amazon or Walmart or both. But Alchemy Pay is also a big player in this space as well. So don't forget about Alchemy Pay. And if you want to kind of bet on this space, maybe bet on both of them. Again, not financial advice, just for entertainment, informational purposes only here, always. Always do your own due diligence. But, if it were me and I were banking on this space, I would probably say, why not go after both Alchemy Pay and AMP? And I think they can both perform well. I think with Alchemy Pay, you've already seen the partnerships, and we're going to dive into kind of what they do. But you can see here right on their landing page, their website, Alchemy Pay, enabling digital payments around the world. And if you scroll down here, the first thing you see, payment acceptance for Shopify Global Network. It is the official payments partner of the world's leading e-commerce company, Shopify. This is enormous, providing 1+ million online merchants crypto and fiat payment acceptance. Recently I did a video on Audius and their partnership with TikTok. This is similar. I mean, this is a huge partnership, one with Shopify that, it says it right there, the world's leading e-commerce company, when it comes to people, selling their own products and services. Driving adoption for Binance's BNB and BUSD. They're partnered with Binance as well to enable the use of BNB and BUSD, Binance US dollars, for payments. Over 3,000 Alchemy merchants now accept BNB and BUSD. They're also a member of Cello. Is it Cello? Cello? I know it's Cello, Tomato, Tomato. Cello's Alliance for Prosperity, where their concentrated efforts across 100 mission-aligned organizations to drive blockchain adoption. Alchemy Pay undertakes responsibility to lower payment fees for merchants globally. Very cool. All right, so luxurious entertainment and dining, C'est La Vie's, world-renowned destinations. They're also servicing those. So they've got some enormous partners here. First in Hong Kong, accepting cryptocurrency. HKEX, Mainboard listed PriceRite, the country's largest home furnishing specialist, among the first in Hong Kong to start accepting cryptocurrency. This is very interesting stuff. These are all various partners for Alchemy Pay. Now, if we go over to their About page, we can learn a little bit about their story here. And you'll see here, as I mentioned, 65 countries and regions, 300 fiat and crypto payment channels. World's first hybrid crypto and fiat payment gateway. And there you see all of the various countries and regions that they are currently in right now as we speak. 300 plus payment giveaways, 100 plus strategic partners and developers already. Here are some of those, obviously highlighted by Binance and Shopify. Hubai is in there as well. Arcadier, as this is popping up here. Gate.io, a lot of big names. Wide applications and offline scenarios currently used by 3,000 plus offline businesses. So they're accepting payments through the app, through proof of stake, through the web, and through Visa cards. So very, very interesting stuff here for Alchemy Pay. And the ACH tokens are used to pay any fees related to the Alchemy Pay platform. And as I mentioned, you can get the ACH token on Coinbase now. They recently released that over there. And we're seeing a nice run up today. Now it's up about 19%. So I figured, what the heck, let's talk about Alchemy Pay a little bit. This is one that exploded off the runway, if you will, recently. And a lot of people sold off. But now people may be understanding that this could be a long-term asset. And it's interesting to note here, this big step up while the entire market is red, by the way. Right? Overall, the market is red, but we're seeing some money come into Alchemy Pay. So is this institutional money? We don't know exactly, but if we look at over at the Etherscan, we do know how many holders they have right now, currently 6,120. So a lot of room to grow for Alchemy Pay, but it's just been a quick and easy update for you to catch you up to speed on what's going on. And in case you've had no idea what Alchemy Pay is, now you do. So if you got some value out of this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.